All right, so we got a GE dryer. Now you can see what it's doing. Now, a lot of times when your dryer's doing that, it could be a broken belt or it could be a bad belt switch. So keep that in mind. Now, GE comes apart pretty straightforward. You see the location where all the screws are, and you basically lift the tab, slide it back. Now, good practice is secure the console with the 1/4 inch screw so that as you're moving the top, it doesn't fall off. So right now in the back, the console is actually secured. So 2 1/4 inch or Phillips screws right there, and you lift and pull the front forward. Those are gliders. Pay attention to those. If they're worn out, go ahead and replace them. I will link them. And you do have 2 square felt pads, and you can flip those as well. Your drum rides on that, so you want to make sure that they're in good shape. Don't overload your dryer. It eats them up pretty fast when you do. So you can use a blower or something to blow any dust that might be built up between there. And once you get those flipped, you have new wear surface again. So these are certain things you can do to ensure your dryer keeps running good and quiet. So we're going to be jumping down to the door switch, unplugging the harness, and then we're going to be changing the belt on this unit. Now your belt on these GE dryers are pretty thin, so don't overload your dryer. It will snap them. I've seen it so many times. Now we're using a flat blade screwdriver here to remove the door switch connector. It takes a little bit of effort to use your fingernails to squeeze it, so the flat blade screwdriver does the job. Now, while you have your machine apart, always do a vacuum. Make sure it's nice and clean. Just lift. You have 3 tabs. Lift the front and remove. Pretty straightforward. Now, we're putting on the belt. This is a replacement belt. Make sure you remove your old belt from the cavity. Now, to install your belt on this GE dryer, you have the bracket. You push it down, lock it. By the way, make sure it's secure as you push to lock it. Otherwise, it could accidentally slip or backwards and slap you pretty good. So be careful with that. Make sure it's into the bracket where it's supposed to be. Once you have secured your belt, then you can push it forward and release the tension. You can pretty much just use one hand, as you can see I'm doing here. There you go. Easiest belt installation. All right. That pretty much covers the installation of the belt and getting your dryer cleaned out. Always do that. Never leave it or put it back dirty. That's why it's important that you actually take them apart and make sure that everything is nice and clean. So that covers this. All right, enjoy the rest of the short video. Thanks for watching. which is hot as well.